For years, the BMW M2 has been celebrated as one of the last pure rear-wheel drive performance coupes on the market. But for 2027, BMW is changing that formula for the first time in the model's history, introducing the all-new BMW M2 xDrive. The biggest news isn't a new engine or a radical redesign. Instead, BMW has equipped the M2 with its xDrive all-wheel drive system, giving the compact performance coupe four-driven wheels for the very first time. Power still comes from the familiar twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six engine, producing 473 horsepower and 443 pound-feet of torque. However, thanks to the added traction of the xDrive system, acceleration is now significantly quicker than before. BMW claims the sprint to 60 miles per hour takes just 3.6 seconds, around 3/10 faster than the rear-wheel drive version. Unlike many traditional all-wheel drive systems, BMW says the M2 xDrive remains heavily rear-biased. Under normal driving conditions, power is sent primarily to the rear wheels, while the front axle only engages when additional grip is needed. Drivers can even select a dedicated AWD mode that sends all power to the rear wheels for a more traditional M-car experience. The new model continues to feature an aggressive chassis package, including staggered 19-inch front and 20-inch rear wheels, M-compound brakes, adaptive suspension, and track-focused driving technology designed to maximize performance on both road and circuit. There is one trade-off. The addition of all-wheel drive brings extra weight, but BMW believes the improved traction, stability, and real-world performance benefits outweigh the increase. Many enthusiasts appear divided, with some welcoming the faster acceleration while others continue to prefer the simplicity of rear-wheel drive. The 2027 BMW M2 xDrive is scheduled to arrive later this year with a starting price of approximately $74,950 in the United States, positioning it as the quickest and most capable standard M2 ever offered from the factory. With more grip, faster acceleration, and the ability to switch between all-wheel drive and rear-wheel drive characteristics, the new M2 xDrive may represent the most versatile BMW M2 yet. But one question remains. Does adding all-wheel drive make the M2 even better? Or does it take away some of the raw personality that made the car so special in the first place? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more automotive news and updates.